What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today is a little bit different. One of my very loyal subscribers, the Road Glide Rider, is probably going to enjoy this video because we're taking a look at motorcycles in today's video. Now, I am going to do a couple different dedicated videos here in the future on actually picking up a bike or two via Copart and IAA, so you guys will get to see those here soon. But in today's video, that's what we got. We got a little bit. It's a Sunday or it's a Saturday, depending on when I publish this. And I want you guys to be able to have like a good bonus video instead of just having nothing up. And that's usually what the motorcycle videos are, bonus videos. So yeah, roll the intro and let's get into it. Yeah, I think it's bike time, man. Whew. Because this right here, man. Whew, that ain't no punk. What's up, guys? Welcome back to a abbreviated short Copart walk around. Now, today we're going to be doing a walk around, looking at some, maybe a car or two and some bikes. Kind of just an abbreviated one. You guys will probably see this like on the weekend or a Sunday or a day that's not normally our busy days or high view days. But I try to post content for you guys every day that watch every day. So that's my little thing for you guys, you know. So let's go ahead and get on into it and go check out well, hey, what do you know, we got our first one right here. Look at this right here. This one is listed as a start but not a drive. Obviously the rim is all beat up. I'm willing it's it's probably battery dead. Okay. Yeah, it's an EcoBoost. Yeah, that's sad. I don't waste my time. I don't waste my time on EcoBoosts. I just don't. I don't do it. Doesn't make any sense for me to do it, you know? I see that Cruise is still here. I see that Cruise is still here. Let me see what's blowing up my phone. Oh, there's that G8, that sad G8 again. Hey, look at this. This is a Toyota Yaris. What we got for damage on it though? Okay, the door is smashed in. Still would be a good little delivery car. You know? Still would make a great little delivery car. Or just a little beater, a little beat around car. 77,000 miles. I see the headrests are in here. Let's move those over there. I see dog hair and stuff on it, so let's see if she fires up. Or if it's got any power at all. That would be a negative. No power. Oh, well. It might go for the right price, you know. It might not go for too much. It could be worth a look at, you know. Let's see. Now we got this Honda Accord here. Looks like it needs a bumper. The rest of it looks pretty decent. Listed as a run and drive. It's 2002 with 165,000 miles on it. Some tail lights and a bumper. You might be in business here. It's even got the really nice cushion for your butt cheeks. So, you know, see your butt cheeks. I just like to hear me say butt cheeks. Oh! So your butt cheeks ain't bad? Oh, man. This one smells a little weird. Let's see what this does. Nothing! Because it's dead as a doornail. Da, 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 da. It's got a tape deck, though. Look at this. Oh, they were listening to some different stuff, huh? Okay. I see y'all. And we got this GMC Yukon here. It is listed as a run and drive. Now, guys, my external mic's died, so I apologize in advance. If you hear any wind or anything like that, really, there's nothing I can do about it. I apologize. Well, this one looks like it's got airbags deployed back here.
and that back tire busted. It must have ran over something pretty hard. Airbags in here. But nothing that would scare me away from this one. Leather seats look nice. Shouldn't have any power though. No. Super dead. Well, I'll add this one to the watch list anyway though. I mean, what's the worst that can happen with it? I mean, this doesn't look bad at all. And yes, you're going to say, well, it's leaning really heavy, TK. Yeah, no duh, because it's on the rim back there. It's going to lean like that. But this one's not bad at all. This is a great little work truck. Maybe a little Uber or Lyft truck for somebody. This is not bad. Not bad at all. All right. And now, being that the wings and stuff are getting pulled out and I need to go get my own damn thing. You guys can see him picking everything up right now. Is I need to get over here and check out these bikes, see if we got anything new, anything different. Shout out to the bike squad, you know. This Kawasaki thing looks sick as, man, that thing's just awesome. There's whatever that is, whatever's left over of that. Ouch. Oof, not good. This Indian bike though, boy. This Indian bike definitely has my interest, man. This thing looks ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous if you ask me. This is the one that had power, right? It does. It does. What do you guys think? Think she'll fire up? And I'll tell you all about it when I see you. Sorry, we don't want to get copyrighted. Accordingly, it's got good fuel range. Accordingly, with the battery and everything's good on it. I wonder if it'll fire up. Yeah, it runs. Wow, that thing sounds good, boy. That thing sounds real good. What do you guys think about this one? Hey, that's the first time we've had something fire up like that. Woo! You guys saw this before, but I finally got permission to actually do dedicated looks at it. So I wanted to go ahead and take the time to, you know, get the video and stuff in on that bike, specifically firing that bad boy up, because that one was super nice. All right. Let's see. Oh, here's another Indian. This is the one that was really nice. Wait a minute. I might have been looking at the wrong one. I might have been looking at the wrong one. My bad. Let me see. All right, here's another one. So that was another Indian bike. That's a new one then, because this is the one we looked at before, because it was all together. Low fuel range. What do you guys think? Gonna fire up? Like a beast, instantly. Did you see that? Runs. Definitely runs. That one right there is pretty, man. I wonder what the hell this one's doing here. Because I legit don't see any scrapes on it or any damage on this one at all. Oh, wait a minute. I say that and then I see this right here. So maybe somebody laid it down, but I don't even see, like, the front bars up here don't have any damage. Maybe it got hit or sideswiped or something, because I don't get it. And it's not like you can just look at the forks and say, oh, they look good. I see this over here, but that all wipes off, man. I don't see why this would be here, man. I really don't. Maybe it's a theft recovery or something. It doesn't say, so I don't know. I don't know. But let me know what you guys think. What do you guys think about this one, huh? Uh-oh. Oh, Sorry guys, had to take that. Another Indian bike. There's a lot of Indian bikes here. A lot of Indian bikes here. This thing is clean. Looks good. Probably dead though. It's got enough mold sitting on it that it's been sitting for a while. I don't think it's gonna have power. That would be a negative. I like that they have a button. Then you have this. I'm assuming this is a Busa. It's a Busa or a 1000 that they try to make it look like a Busa. Nope, it's a Busa. It is a Hayabusa, and it has seen better days. I mean, it's not completely unfixable, but this one wrecked pretty bad, man. It laid down one way, probably flipped, and then laid down the other way. Oof. Oof. Ouch. Only thing you can hope in situations like this is that the rider survived, man. Got a beautiful Harley right here that got, say it with me, smashed, rear-ended. That's gotta suck to get hit from the rear like that. And then you got hit so hard that your handlebars came in and just crunched into the gas tank. That sucks. That sucks. Any power? Nope. No key here, guys. Nothing I can do to change any of that. Oh, there we go. I found something else. I found a different spot, guys. Well, I'll look at it. If you guys want me to see if it'll fire up, I'll try to fire her up. Clutch is holding. 7,000 miles on this one. Nope, she's dead, Jim. Super dead. All right, you got a Victory bike up here. Got another Harley Davidson. I like that right there. Somebody left this one on, huh? That's a dick move. Let's leave that off. Let's see. Another Harley Davidson right here. Looks like somebody accessed the battery on this one. Does this one power up? Nope. Completely dead, huh? Yeah. Oh well. Oh well. Screaming Eagle, Harley Davidson. This one definitely was laid down. You can see that. You see the whole side bags, fender up here, everything up front all scratched up. Not unrepairable though. Not unrepairable. You know, I don't know if the forks are bent. And she's dead as a doornail too. Nice though. Nice though. Looks good on this side. And the other side, like I said, it probably could be repaired. It probably could be repaired. I mean, like I said, it's not too bad, you know? Huh. Well, guys, I think that's going to do it. I know it's a short video. I know you guys want to see this four-wheeler. I know it's a short video and all that, and I understand that. But there really isn't much I can do about that. This thing is dead as a doornail. Cool though.
All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's Copart walk around featuring mostly motorcycles. And I think we did have that one four-wheeler that was in there. But let me know what you guys think in the comments section down below. Do you guys like the walk-arounds, you know, several times a week, as well as like the different auctions and whatnot? And a couple different things I want to say before we get out of here. We do have that profit and loss video coming for you guys on the Nissan, and I did pick up another Nissan via IAA, so you guys will get to see stuff on that coming very soon. And yeah, I think I'm going to do a dedicated how to sign up and bid with different auction platforms and stuff too here really soon. So stay tuned. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. bugs outside. I had to look. I saw something on the window. Like, lots more stuff coming soon, guys, and we're going to kind of accelerate the content, get different stuff, do a little bit more crazier stuff, because we're getting to that point where, you know, we crossed 75,000 subscribers. It's time for us to really start pushing, and I'm ready to get it in. So let's get it.